If you are a Gmail user, this is urgent. Google has issued a global warning after a massive data breach exposed over 2.5 billion accounts to phishing and impersonation attacks. And if you want to understand what exactly this breach is all about, check the video linked in the card and the description. Now let's start with following Google official advice to secure your Gmail accounts. These are the authentication methods Google recommends. So let's walk through each of them. Now let's first quickly see how you can change your Gmail password immediately. Just go to myaccount.google.com and click on Go to Google account. Please note that here first you have to log into your Gmail. Now go to security section and here we want to scroll down to the password. Here you could go ahead and enter your new password. Let me do that. Make sure your password must be at least 8 character and must have the complex digits, number, and a character. The second thing I want to show you is set up two-step verification for your Google email. In the two-step verification, you could go ahead, add phone number, and the second thing we have is to turn on two-step verification for your account. To turn on two-step verification security on the 2FA app, just go ahead and download Google Authenticator app on your phone and scan this QR code directly to that app. Now, whenever you will log in, you could choose this step to send the approval on your mobile phone for a successful login. Now, let's go back and see the next security method we can add to our account. And here we could go ahead and add a recovery email. Let me add the recovery email, and this will send you a verification code to your recovery email. Just go ahead, get the verification code, and verify it here. So I got the code that is 56481 and 3 to verify. Okay, recovery email is also verified. The next thing I want to show you is the Google prompt. In the Google prompt, you could see that my mobile phone is added here and I got notification on my mobile phone when I try to log into Google account. Here, you could go ahead and manage your devices. You could remove any of the device from here that don't supposed to be here. Or if you found any suspicious device here, just go ahead and remove that. And here, if you could see in the two-step verification phones, my phone number is already added here. You could just go ahead and delete the phone, or you could add a two-step verification phone number again here. Let me add my number. Okay, I want to receive a code by text. This is confirm. This is my number. I can confirm here, and the phone number is added successfully in the security section, and you could also change the recovery phone number. So let me change it in front of you so that you could understand. Okay, let's click on add recovery phone number, select your country, next, and here I'm ready to save it. Now the phone number is updated successfully. Let's go back again. The last one I want to show you is the passkey. You could see here that there are two passkey already added for my Gmail account. One is for my Windows laptop and second is for my Android mobile phone. So whenever I try to log in from any device, this send me the notification to enter the passkey or the code of my email account login. You could go ahead and just create another passkey for you if you want. So that's it about today's quick video. Google is doing its part, but your security starts with you. Change your password, enable 2FA, set up passkeys, and stay alert. All the useful and official links are available in the video description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. It really supports channel and help others to stay protected too. So stay smart, stay secure, and I will see you in the next one.